Video inspection, Dorchester Street, clean out. Video inspection number 2. See right here where the pipe started to sink here. And as we go in, the pipe's dipping down. Whether the house had settled or the dirt underneath the pipe has washed away. You can see this is completely underwater. And it'll go like that for about 20 feet. All underwater. There's nothing obstructing, making this water be in here. There's just a belly in the line. And this is going to cause backups every time something's flushed. It's going to stop. There we go. There's the end of it. About 18 feet. Rest of the line looks okay. We can't do a very good visual inspection when the camera's underwater. But there's nothing downstream holding this water in here. It's all dry out here by the clean out. And a liner's not going to help anything. Not with a bellied pipe. It's going to have to be broken open, and that section of pipe is going to have to be replaced. And we're out of the clean out here. You can see there's no water in the clean out, nothing holding it in. And that's video number 2.